Okay, here we go. We got the corner piece welded, freshly welded in place. It's still hot, and right in this area right here, there's a lot of stretching, and it got pretty thin there, so I just put a little weld on that to beef it up. And looks good. I did a lot of work on these crease lines here, the bends with the skateboard wheel and the bead roller, just to help refine that. Plus I made this little tool here. When I was initially forming this first step here, I just held this underneath the flat piece, and then I struck so it was supporting this area here, and I would strike it here. So down on my piece of I-beam here. So if you can just imagine the tin is on top of this. Actually, I used this blunted axe. Just took a nice rounded edge, and I just went around the tin, striking it in this area here. And that made this, oh, you might be able to see the axe marks there. Working it down like that. And then once I had that step in there, I took a pass with the bead roller again, with the skateboard wheel, and made a line on that, and then it was just a matter of striking this area here to stretch it, to turn it up into that corner. And I also used this vintage finishing hammer to help me out a bit in that, stretching that area. You have another look at my bead roller here. This top shaft is adjustable. Right here, there's a slot. Loosen that nut, you can slide the shaft in and out. Speed controller from an old blueprint machine. So when that shaft slides, this gear is floating here at a keyway. Just turn it on for a sec. Oh. I'm unplugged. There's my brake. It's helped me out with this project quite a bit. I was quite happy with the way this is turning out. Inspires somebody else to do the same. Actually, I was inspired by a series of posts on one of the metal forming sites forum. And I always like it when I get inspired by the expertise of others.